Hello students, welcome back to Let Us Master English. Today in this video, I am going to teach you how to write an advertisement for matrimonial category. Let's get started. Students, if you want to know what is an advertisement, how many types of advertisements are there, what is classified advertisement, because in your syllabus classified advertisement is to be written, different categories of advertisement and marking scheme. Then you can watch lecture 1 on advertisement writing. There I have discussed in detail all these topics. Now what is matrimonial? It is a type of advertisement which is written to seek or offer a suitable match for a prospective bride or bridegroom. Bride means dulhan, bridegroom means dulha. It contains such interesting details as the ethnicity of the bride or bridegroom to be, religion and family background, profession and income, and the type of match sought. What type of qualities are you looking for in your prospective bride or bridegroom? Now students, here are some important tips which are to be followed while writing an advertisement. Point number 1, clearly state the category at the top. For example, bride wanted or bridegroom wanted. So under the category matrimonial, either we write an advertisement if we want a bride or if we are looking for a bridegroom. So there you have to mention, or to let, for sale, etc. So once you have written the heading, that is bride wanted or bridegroom wanted, then give all necessary details. Now what details are to be given, that I am going to discuss in my next slide. After giving the details, give your name, contact address and telephone number. You may avoid name. And students, word limit for writing an advertisement is 50 words. So do not exceed the word limit, otherwise you would lose your marks. And once the advertisement is over, put the matter in a box. See, if you forget to draw the box, you would lose half marks. So please be very careful. Now, here are the value points which you must keep in your mind while writing this type of advertisement. Now, line number 1 is bride wanted or bridegroom wanted. After that, begin with wanted or alliance or proposal invited. State boy or girl. Then educational or professional qualifications. Then service or profession, that is source of income. And you must mention age, height, complexion and build. Then caste, religion or community to which the bride or the bridegroom belongs to. Qualities sought in partner. What type of qualities are you looking for in your prospective partner? Then we may also mention the nature of marriage, whether it is an early marriage, arranged, or you want court marriage, simple or decent marriage. So whatever is your desire, please write that in the advertisement. And then write contact number, address or email, or if you want to hide your identity, then you may give post box number. So students, please remember all these points. Some of the points are already provided in the question and some of the points you have to add on your own, and our advertisement is ready. Here is a sample advertisement. Write an advertisement for the matrimonial column of a national newspaper for a highly placed IT professional settled in the USA. exceptionally beautiful, educated, cultured, and a tall girl of good status, Rajput family wanted. Now students, let us see what is given in the question. Write an advertisement for the matrimonial column. So here the category is given. We are writing under the category matrimonial of a national newspaper for a highly placed IT professional settled in the USA. So profession of the boy is given and the boy is settled in the USA. Exceptionally beautiful, educated, cultured and tall girl of good status, Rajput family wanted. So here qualities sought in the partner are given. The boy is looking for a beautiful, exceptionally beautiful, educated, cultured and a tall girl of good status, Rajput family. And caste or religion is given, that is Rajput. Let us write this advertisement. Our heading is, now the boy is looking for a girl. So heading is bride wanted. Alliance invited for a handsome and cultured IT professional, 28 years, 6 feet tall, NRI, settled in the United States as CEO of a reputed firm. So this is about the boy. Exceptionally beautiful, highly qualified girl between 21 and 25 and at least 5 feet 6 inches tall. Only status Rajput families. Send details and photo, then email address is given. So students, please remember the value points. Some of the points are already in the question. Invent some on your own and our advertisement is ready. So let us see one more example. You are mother of Tanu, BTech, working IT professional in Gurgaon. Frame a matrimonial advertisement looking for a suitable boy for her. Now, you are looking for a suitable boy. So our heading would be bridegroom wanted. Give the desired qualities wanted by you. Now here the qualities are not given. You have to invent it on your own. So here the qualification of the girl is given. She is BTech and working IT professional in Gurgaon. So profession is also given. Frame a matrimonial advertisement. So category is matrimonial, looking for a suitable boy for her. Now the desired qualities we have to write on our own. So students, our heading is bridegroom wanted. Proposal invited for a Brahmin, beautiful, fair, 22 years, 165 centimeter. This is the height. Convent educated, IT professional girl in Gurgaon. Now about the boy. IT professional, teetotaler preferred. It means the boy who doesn't drink. Caste, no bar. Early marriage. Contact, then the email address is given and the phone number is given with biodata. So how simple it is to write an advertisement. Just remember the value points, read the question carefully and your advertisement is ready. That's all. Students, thank you very much for watching this video, and for more such videos, kindly subscribe my channel. Please like, comment and share my video with your friends. Thank you very much.